Just a bit of stillness and calm. Exactly what we need more of in these stressful, busy days that we have. I wondered if you were interested in coming to my silent retreat day. I am hosting it, and I have the wonderful Victoria Page, who will be doing some Kundalini yoga, and then she will be attending the rest of the retreat day herself. We've decided to split it up because both of us could do with a retreat. So this time in April the 26th, I will be hosting, and in July, Victoria will be hosting, and I will be relaxing. Because part of being able to give is also being able to receive. So we are both going to learn that lesson. So if you would like to come along to a wonderful healing day of rest, relaxation, and gentle inquiry, meditation and yoga, with some sound and gongs along the way, then remember today is the very last day to get your ticket at the early bird price. That's today, Friday, the 28th of February. So I look forward to seeing you there, so you can get a sense of peace and calm and tranquility back into your life.